think you need a big room to get that big screen movie experience at home? Think again. Featuring incredible visual detail and amazing color in a wall-to-wall image, ViewSonic's ultra-short throw projectors deliver a bright and immersive experience perfect for any home theater, no matter the size. Thanks to an ultra-short throw lens, you can set these projectors inches away from your projection surface and still get a huge, true HD image for less cost than a comparably sized TV. In fact, these projectors are great for both large and small rooms, with screen sizes ranging from 70 inches to 150 inches. And with a projector placed just inches away from a wall, that means no tangled wires and no distracting shadows can get in your way. To take full advantage of the incredible images projected, we recommend pairing our ultra-short throw projectors with our optional black diffuser screen. Not only is this black screen a perfect match for your home theater decor, but it also enhances contrast and helps to eliminate washed-out images.
A world of light. The beauty, the wonder that are so difficult to capture. The images that truly matter must be celebrated. This was the goal of LG, inspiring tireless research and innovation to meet this need. The clarity and detail you demand, like actually being there, at a vast image size that will amaze you. Now, a huge, beautiful versatility. The 4K experience you've been dreaming of. Thrilling home cinema in 4K clarity. The LG Cinebeam Laser 4K Projector.
It's time to rethink TV. Introducing the Hisense 100-inch laser 4K Smart TV. The high-resolution 4K experience means sports and movies come to life on the big screen. The Hisense 4K Smart Laser TV will draw you in with rich and expansive colors. Movie theater quality entertainment available in any room of your home. Built-in sound by Harman Kardon, including a wirelessly connected subwoofer, provides a full lifelike theater sound experience. With built-in Wi-Fi, cord cutters will enjoy the simplicity of using all the integrated apps. The sleek console sits only inches from the wall, seamlessly painting content in stunning 4K quality picture. TV has never looked like this. Unapologetically amazing.